Oh, it feels so cold this morning.
It sure is. Early this morning my car's windshield was covered with frost. I had to spray it with water before I could head to school.
Who would have thought it could be this cold in early December, especially in California?
I know. The temperature was 35 degrees Fahrenheit when I woke up this morning. I was freezing as soon as I got out of bed. The cold weather just hit me by surprise.
I cannot remember when it was this cold in early December.
Brace yourself for the rain this afternoon. Cold and wet, yuck.
It is going to rain this afternoon?
Not only this afternoon, but also the rest of the week.
Oh, it is going to be miserable. I have a full class schedule today and tomorrow. To walk from class to class, I will have to juggle my books and my umbrella trying not to get wet.
You carry too many books. Why don't you leave some of them in your locker?
My locker is a long way from my English classes. This is the reason why I carry all my books with me. Is it going to rain hard or just drizzle?
The news said that it would start to drizzle around noon, and then it would rain really hard by 3 o'clock.
No hope for better weather this week.
There is a slim chance of sunshine by Saturday. However, it will be foggy, windy, and rainy before the sun comes out this weekend.
I am glad that it rains even though I do not like rainy weather. We have a very dry season so far this year.
Yes, I can hardly remember when it rained last time. Well, as long as there is no thunder or lightning, I can bear it.
We rarely have thunder or lightning in California.
We are very lucky that California has one of the best weather conditions in America. When it is hot, it is not humid. When it rains, there is no thunder or lightning. And the cold weather during the winter season is quite mild compared to the weather of the other states.
Yes, we are lucky. However, sometimes when I look at the Christmas pictures, I just wish we had some snow. It looks so pretty when everything is covered by a blanket of pure white snow.
Living in Southern California all my life, I have never seen snow. I would not mind playing in the snow once in a while.
Yes, it would be fun to make a snowman or go skiing.
We have never seen snow, we have never made a snowman. And we have never gone skiing. We better do something about this.
Maybe we should plan a trip to Aspen, Colorado during winter break. I heard that the skiing season is fantastic up there.
I don't think we can afford a trip to Aspen. It is very expensive up there.
I am just wishing. I know what I will be doing during winter break. I will be working very hard to save money for a new car.
With the cars that we drive, it is better that we live in a place where there is no snow.
You are right, we are better off with no snow. Okay, I have class right now. See you later in the library.
See you later.